The Ever-Blessed team recently visited Spanish Town, capturing the essence of the new Brunswick Housing Development and its surroundings. So let's see what Ever-Blessed has in store.
Ever-Blessed people, who say Spanish Town is the most dangerous? Well, today guys, I'm gonna be welcome you to Spanish Town. As you know that I am Ever-Blessed Travels, and I'll be traveling around, show you beautiful things and places. And the question I ask is, who said Spanish Town is the most dangerous? Might be I want to prove you wrong today and to show you that Spanish Town is the one of the most developed. For this area that I am showing you, my people, is the new, let me look for the sign, the new village, the new Brunswick village. All right, and it is residential. All this is residential here, house for sale, and they have them in a different stage, and I will be explaining some more about it, my people, for you to have a clear understanding as to what this place has to offer. It is in Brunswick Avenue, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. So now this area is commercial, straight business. So if you want to be a part of these settings, yeah man, you can join in, sign in. Place nice. Yeah man, all the business places is about to swarm this place. And if you notice, it is new. A lot of them is still closed, not yet open for business. Ever-Blessed is showing you the beauty. Yeah, my people, as we walk through, they showcase it. Yeah, so look on them line, my people. Beautiful. Yeah man, so them have the greenery. So them have business places around, and they have the green area. So a lot of parking space too. And how awesome it is for you to be going home and drive through a business village before you reach your house. Yeah man. So a few of the places that is open, I'll be showing them to you, my people. So that is My Cart Express. This them the shipping, and the shipping this on my people. So whatever you can pick up. So when we can look on it, me say Amazon, me say Shein, and me say eBay. Pick up yourself, my G. YouTuber.
Okay.
You want to pick up yourself? Can I record over here? Camera. I'm a YouTuber. Ever-Blessed Travels. Ever-Blessed Travels on YouTube. Yeah.
Okay.
You work, what kind of record over here?
The maintenance.
Maintenance. Wow. You're from Spanish Town?
Yeah, man. I'm kind of busy now.
I understand you, bro. I understand you.
I'm duty. This is to do some work.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So big
up yourself, G. Check out Ever-Blessed Travels.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. See them, that's why I asked you what your name is.
Oh, yeah, your fresh on the memory say, well, you have seen Ever-Blessed Travels already. Subscribe. All right, subscribe now. You have all reason to subscribe now. All right, so Amazon, Shein, and eBay. Yeah, man, them you get the shipping done, so. And Imperial Optical. That is where I get my eyes tested. Yeah, man, and I'll be visiting that doctor later on. But in the meantime, may I showcase this beautiful place. Ever-Blessed now ride to them people. Ever-Blessed is walking through. Yeah man. So that is 2 business places already. Sagicor. I was told that Sagicor is the contractor for this complex. So you can see my people. I'll be walking through and showing you some of the. Let me walk this side from the entrance so you can see exactly what Ever-Blessed I talk about. So this place, sooner or later, just a couple months from now, when this place take off, hey, it's gonna be something else. So as I said before, it's a 24-hour machine there. Sagicor and Highland Grill. Whoa, I wonder if Babbles can eat in Highland Grill today. Looking for a sign. This guy tell me about a sign. Brunswick Avenue, Spanish Town. Take off. Anytime you see all of them houses, then the people pull up. So see that? I buy from them that them deliver. And them people deliver your food. So see where Island Grill chart look like my people. Yeah man, I did a food chart that. Yeah. That is where you order from Island Grill. And they have a nice little land. And they have drive-through too, my people. Yeah man, they have drive-through. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Drive-through. Take my U-turn. See the sign of the people. New village. See? New Brunswick village. Yeah, I'm walking through. Sure. So as I said, my people, is a new settings. So I'm just checking out and showing you what I go on. I'm just showing you my people that Spanish Town are going with themselves. I'm walking through. Yeah. Checking out the inside to see what's inside of the so inside is very cool. So they're going to make an order there for the people. I want everybody should order juice. Yeah. Just waiting my turn. Just waiting my turn.
Tem que pôr a machine do microfone.
Kana do za.
Pena,
Much like this.
Take it down this in the margin. What's next?
Give me the medium. I'm trying medium.
Medium.
Try it. Then I'll be for no, I just want to choose a food second. Some of people have served like. Put it in your name. Kim. Your name Kimberly. So you can see your name Kim. Kimberly tells her name Kim with you. And Kimberly is going to be in my comment section and after this afterward.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to hear that final I'm going to try lychee juice for the first time at Island Grill. So I have no idea what a lychee juice tastes like, but it is always good to try new stuff. I could have ordered another juice, but I said let me order the one that I don't know. Kimberly's great piece of fish. It's gonna serve me juice. Pick up yourself, Najee. Man, are you on YouTube, is it? Oh, yeah. So now vlog in the street. So you shop here all the time? What kind of customer service they have? I'm seeing a face smiling face. And from your coming here, you're not stop smiling, and that means they feel like you love more than food in and water. Okay. But then, you eat good food. Turn around back again, friend. Come here. Can you turn your back to see what you have? Alright, okay. So that's it, though.
You're nice.
Yeah. It's new. Spanish Town is on the rise, huh?
Yeah, I'm the most person.
Yes. So who said Spanish Town is it? So why is the Spanish Town is the most dear though?
So Spanish idea was good. It's true that we were saying people back in ideas. So anyway, you know, you can give say come from Spanish Town.
They fear you.
But then say come from Kingston.
Is it like to do? I look for Pay attention to these rice. You are the rice, me are the peas. Island Grill now and play. Him say, yard, we bar. I are the band princess. Interesting rice. She said, Island Grill. And the outside of Island Grill are them logo there.
Thanks for exploring with us here in Spanish Town and checking out the New Brunswick Housing Development. Remember, wherever life takes you, ever bless, never stress. See you in the next adventure.